Hey guys, we are back with another video, and here's a 4th grade multiplication problem, so let's try to solve it. So we have 396 times 274. So 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 9, 4 times 90, 360. 4 times 300, that would be 1,200. 70 times 6, that would be 420. 8 times 90, that would be 6,300. 70 times 300, that would be 21,000, and then 200 times 6, 1,200. 200 times 90, that would be 18,000. 200 times 300, that would be 60,000. So then 4 is 4, 2, 6, 2, put 1 up there, that's 0. And then on that would be 15, so carry the 1, be that. 18, put the 8 there, put the 1 there. So now that would be 10, so then 108,504. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!